Wayne, any questions we can answer at this point?
Yeah, there's some that I have kind of answered. Walt was thinking that it might, would it be a good idea to pay for a few Facebook ads with your minion? Basically thinking that if you're a customer, it might help. My answer to that would be no, it would make it worse, because you'd have to create a business account in the same name as the minion, and therefore you'd need a payment method to pay for the ads. Because if you do it yourself, you're then giving the game away and creating a footprint that you own that minion, which you can't do. And a business account attached to a minion would make Facebook look a lot deeper into the account that owns it. So from my perspective, it's not a good idea.
Yeah, and the other thing too is, as long as you're in the same session splitter profile, you can add your Instagram to your Facebook. But
yeah, you can do that.
If you have a Facebook on a different IP than your Instagram, you're inviting a re-verification every time you log in. So we're going to try to, our objective is to keep the re-verifications down, because everything is dependent on automation. And if we have to re-verify, like I've talked about in all 4 weeks, is it turns off all the automation, and it really does slow down what we're trying to accomplish. Our goal here is to get social media traffic to our sites and to use your social media and social minions for other things. Reviews, that's the money maker right there, is reviews. Affiliate sales, there's all types of affiliate promotions that you can do with your minions. Bestseller, we have a bestseller idea for Amazon's for your e-com products. So you want a team of minions that are legitimate minions that have a good phone number, a good IP address, and they're separated from everything else. And that's why we like Session Splitter.